Alright, we're here at the MGM. I don't want to let this thing close because I think it parks. I'm gonna head to 3. That one's broken. Jesus, this thing's a piece of junk. That doesn't work. What the hell? There's a piece of plexiglass over the cabinet and it's screwed shut anyway. So much for putting this thing on independent or anything like that. This thing is a piece of trash. Look at this. Nice. That. Yeah. Hunk of shit. This thing is trash.
Oh yeah.
And there it goes.